Hey guys, this is Margarita, your girl from Go Dominican Life. Today, another special one, because this time I'm not looking for a buyer, but I'm looking for a renter. And I need a good neighbor because it's below my own house. I'm renting this wonderful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment for a really good price, and I'm looking for somebody who is nice and quiet, who enjoys nature and nice views, and who's okay with a 50-minute walk into town. So come on in and have a look. So guys, if you want to be my neighbor, you know what to do. Click on the link here below to get in touch with us. Give us a like, subscribe, and don't forget to share with all of your friends. Bye.